Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the Breville Barista Pro, huh? ASIN B0 BSVP 9K2N. It's that sleek, semi-automatic espresso machine everyone's been talking about.
And I've got the Jura E8 ASIN B07 XSGLYBS, the Super-Automatic King. Big difference right off the bat for our listeners, right? One's hands-on, one's push-button.
Exactly. Right. The Breville, in black truffle no less, really lets you get your hands dirty. You're controlling the dose with that integrated conical burr grinder. Tamping, you feel like a barista.
The Jura grinds with its professional aroma grinder, tamps and brews all automatically. I'm seeing claims of 12.2% more aroma. Is that even measurable? Laughs. Seriously though, it's about ease of use.
True, but that manual steam wand on the Breville, that's where the magic happens for latte art. You can really texture that microfoam.
The Jura has its fine foam technology. It's consistent, yes, but you're sacrificing that tactile control. Though, let's be honest, my latte art looks like abstract expressionism anyway. The Jura also boasts 17 program specialties: espresso, macchiato, even a cortado. Pretty impressive, right? For those who want variety.
The Breville counters with its thermojet heating system. 3 seconds to heat up. I mean, who has time to wait? Especially at 6 a.m.
The Jura uses its pulse extraction process, or PEP, for maximum flavor with those shorter drinks. It's all about optimizing the extraction time.
And the LCD display on the Breville is super intuitive, shows you exactly where you are in the grinding and extraction process. Very helpful for dialing in your shot.
The Jura has a color display and uses AI to learn your preferences. It adapts to asterisk U. Spooky, but convenient.
The Breville's got a decent-sized water tank, 67 ounces, less refilling.
The Jura's is a tad smaller, at 64 ounces. But honestly, how many back-to-back lattes are we really making?
The Breville also throws in a bunch of accessories. Filter baskets, a milk jug, even the Razor precision dose trimming tool. Fancy.
Don't forget the Jura's maintenance costs. Filters and cleaning tablets add up. One reviewer mentioned $30 per month for milk cleaning solution. Something to consider. So it really comes down to whether you want a more involved, hands-on experience perfecting your technique, or a fully automated one, prioritizing convenience.
Yeah, exactly. And also, what kind of drinks you make most often, and how much you value that control versus convenience. Plus, budget in those Jura maintenance costs. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.